fluffy slime without shaving foam. So guys, as you know, shaving foam is very essential for making fluffy slime, and sometimes shaving foam is not available at our home. So in today's video I will show you how to make fluffy slime without shaving foam. So I am excited, you are excited, so without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, for making fluffy slime, first you have to add clear glue. So let's add our clear glue. So guys, I have added my glue, as you can see. So guys, now we have to keep our glue side. So guys, for making foam, first we have to take an empty bottle, as you can see. And guys, now we have to add some of the hand wash in our bottle. So let's add this. So guys, as you can see, I have added my hand wash. Now in this, we have to add a little bit of water. Guys, do not add too much. If you add too much, so your foam will not form. So I have added my water. Now we have to just shake it very well. So guys, as you can see, our foam is ready, and now we have to take our bowl and we have to add this foam in our glue, as you can see. Now let's add this. So guys, now after adding foam, we have to mix it very well. So guys, now I am adding here a little bit of red color. It's optional guys. If you want to add the color, so you can add like this much. And now let's mix it. So guys, now we have to add our activator. So guys, this activator is homemade. Can you believe this? Yeah guys, this is homemade activator. And guys, if you want the recipe of this activator, so please like this video and subscribe my channel and click the little bell icon. And guys, you can use homemade activator which I have uploaded in my channel, so you can use that activator also. So let's add our homemade activator little by little. So let's add guys. Guys, after adding activator, we have to mix it very fastly. So guys, as you can see, the slime is so thick now. Oh my god. So guys, our slime is ready. And guys, see how fluffy this slime is. Oh my god. So let's knead it first. So first let's take activator in our hands. And oh guys, it's so soft. Oh guys, it's so soft. Oh my god guys. Oh, but it's so sticky. You can see. So let's take out our slime. Let's add the activator in our table also. Now let's take out our slime. Oh my gosh. As you can see, the slime is so fluffy and it's so sticky. So let's knead it first here. So guys, I will show you after kneading the slime. So guys, our fluffy slime is ready. And see guys, it's so soft and so fluffy guys, so fluffy. And it's so easy to make. You can see. Oh my gosh. So stretchy, so soft, so fluffy, and it's so good, so nice slime. As you can see here. Definitely try this. So guys, I hope you like my slime recipe, and guys, I have also made fluffy slime with shaving foam. So the link of that video is in the description, so please check it out. And guys, if you like my video and my slime, so give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the little bell icon so you never miss my any new updates. So that's all for today. Take